WSAV was first to tell you about issues at the Garden Oaks Apartments back in the beginning of this year. 4 separate shootings led to public meetings and changes in security. Now the city is taking it a step further by instituting a law that leaders say looks out for everyone's safety. WSAV's Danielle Cobb explains.
Things have been pretty calm here since local police instituted extra security measures inside this complex. But Beaufort wants to be proactive with a new ordinance designed to keep things safe much longer.
It just seemed like the right time to bring this nuisance abatement ordinance to the forefront.
23 police reports in 4 shootings in the first 6 months of this year. The trend in crime at the Garden Oaks Apartments is what pushed the City of Beaufort to roll out a public nuisance abatement ordinance. But they tell me it's not just focused on crime.
It really applies to any public safety or public health issues.
This could mean overgrown yards, infestations, or anything property related that could affect others' health or the surrounding area.
This isn't something that there's one crime that occurs or there's one complaint and you work with the property owner. It's an isolated incident.
The city emphasizes that they're not focused on one-time incidents, but instead repeat behaviors that are not being properly fixed. The city also now has the authority to address that pattern of trouble at a faster pace, skipping the previous measures of having to go through the state. And the penalty, fines and possible jail time, that only increases the more the issue isn't addressed.
This is a continuing offense, so for every day that it continues, that can be a new offense. So, if this goes on for 10, 15, 20 days, that could potentially be 10, 15, 20 new offenses.
Again, this ordinance focuses on repeated threats to the health and safety of other individuals. The city officially announced that it went into effect on Wednesday. Reporting from the City of Beaufort, Danielle Cobb, WSAV News 3, on your side.